Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am so excited. It is November 1st, so that means it's time to kick off Tag a Day November. If you're new to my channel, I did this last year where I posted a tag every day during November. I had the best time. I had so many comments that people enjoyed it, and it was amazing to me how much I enjoyed it, so I decided to do it again this year. Everything that I use is in the description box below that I can find, and I'll have links if I can find them still in stock places. I also this year, because I had so many people ask for it last year, have a list and links to all of my favorite dies. I have quite the collection right now of tag dies. If I get any more, I will add them. I don't think I will. I'm going to try to use what I have. I also this year, every so often, will put a picture in my community tab of 3 different tag dies and have you guys vote on what you want me to use. I did that as I started filming these videos, and it was almost unanimous that I start with the Scrappy Boy Torn Edge Nesting Tag Dies. They are so fun. I like that there's so many layers, and it is just so unusual to kind of see that edge. So that is the dies that I used today. I used the Scrappy Boy Stamps Fall Leaves paper pad. Excuse me, goodness. I used the My Favorite Things Stitched Basic Edges. I don't think that they're available, at least they weren't available in the My Favorite Things shop. And then I used the Scrappy Boy Cute Girls Fall Leaves stamp set. And I actually did 2 tags today because I thought I would kick off the month right. So here's the first one. You can see I did that tag die. This is where I used that basic edges dies, so you can see I did both. I have the reverse on each, so I did this one first, and I just used that, and it's kind of covered up the stitching, and I just love her expression. It's Hey Pumpkin, and then just some ribbon, some cardstock on the back. I tried to die cut the hole when this was still wet with glue. It was kind of a fiasco, but I got it done. Lesson learned. And then this one, you can see that stitch detail because it's just the rest of that tag. And she's out collecting some mushrooms. And yeah, so there are my first 2 tags to kick off Tag a Day November for 2023. And bear with me for whatever reason. I think it's because I've been planning my crafty year for next year. I keep putting down 2024. So if you see that, I know, I'm an idiot. It's okay. But anyways, that's what I've got for you today. Come back every day during the month of November and see what tags I have to share. I don't stick to a certain theme or certain style. I just have fun with tags. And then a common question that I get is, what do you do with the tags once you make them? I have been giving them away. Like if I send out Happy Mail, or when my Etsy shop, I give a free gift with every order, and a lot of times it's a tag. I think they're just something cute, easy to make, and it just is fun. So that's my tags for today. I will let you be. I'll see you back here tomorrow. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.